Veer Pahadia's Prem Kitanu has landed in controversy even before its theatrical release. The Hindi adaptation of the Malayalam hit Premalu is facing backlash after netizens noticed that the original film is no longer available on the OTT platform. Well, Veer Pahadia's upcoming film Prem Kitanu is already making headlines, but not for the reasons its makers may have hoped. The film, directed by Apurv Singh Karki, is an official Hindi adaptation of the 2024 Malayalam blockbuster Premalu, which starred Naslin and Mamita Baiju in the lead roles. While talking about Prem Kitanu, the teaser was released recently, but it received a largely unimpressed response online, and now the controversy has taken a completely different turn. Netizens have expressed anger after the original Malayalam version Premalu was reportedly removed from the OTT platform after the Hindi adaptation was announced. The development has sparked a debate online, with several viewers questioning why the original film is no longer available on the streaming platform. One netizen wrote, "But removing the original version from the OTT platform for this reason is absolute nonsense." Another commented, "An original movie is always better than the remake." Another netizen directly asked the makers to bring the original back, and the tweet read, "Premalu Hindi versions date love, what is this? What kind of movie is this da? What are you doing, remake it? I can do it too, original version on OTT, put it back." Well, the criticism did not stop there. Another netizen wrote, "Premalu Hindi remake, another Bollywood disaster coming." Another comment took aim at the remake itself, saying, "This is such a disgrace to the original Premalu. This new one kills the charm and emotion of the original." Well, Prem Kitanu follows the basic storyline of Premalu, although the Hindi adaptation reportedly makes some changes, including having its protagonists meet in college rather than later in life. Veer Pahadia plays a college student in the film, sporting a rather unusual hairstyle. The cast also includes Afia Sayyed, Apar Shakti Khurana, Rakesh Bedi and Nikhil Vijay. The original Premalu, which was released in 2024, became popular for its performances, humor and romantic storyline, with Naslin and Mamita Baiju winning praise from audiences. Now audiences are actually comparing Premalu and Prem Kitanu. Now with Prem Kitanu scheduled to release in theatres on October 2nd, the makers have another challenge, convincing audiences that the Hindi adaptation can recreate the charm of the original. Well, previously also, many Hindi remakes of the South Indian films have not been received well by the audiences. And looks like audiences are not impressed with Prem Kitanu as well. Well, from an underwhelming teaser to the removal of the original Premalu from the OTT, Prem Kitanu has found itself at the center of an online controversy even before release. Whether the Hindi adaptation wins audiences over on October 2nd remains to be seen.